It's a Sunday morning. Your parents are asleep. You feel hungry. Go into the kitchen.
There's a monster sitting at the table eating cornflakes. The monster is brown. It has yellow eyes, blue fingernails, and orange teeth.
Take the cornflakes away. Get out. The monster jumps and runs upstairs. You run after the monster.
You can hear your parents scream. You look into the bedroom. The window is open. Look out of the window. You can see the monster hitting your dad's car. Stop, you can have some cornflakes.